Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply make your text glow by using the text effect on CapCut PC. Now I'm not sure if they had it before, but I had to go to effects to add in a super bright glow to my text and stuff. But here you can actually type in the text you want, select a font as well if you want to. I'm just going to select a font. I'm just going to select this one, for instance. Scroll down until you find the glow section. I do not think it was there before, but you can select the color as well as the glow. There's a lot of options you can choose from, like this one, for instance. And you can also change the text color to match the glow, and you don't have to add any more effects to it. So I think this is really awesome that they have that now. I just realized, because all this time I've been using effects. If you have realized it, then good for you, but I haven't. But yeah, that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. I would like to also mention you can adjust the intensity of the glow and also the range here. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!